Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I share with you some beautiful crochet ladies handbag designs ideas. A crochet handbag is a type of bag created using the crochet technique, which involves interlocking loops of yarn with a crochet hook. These handbags can vary widely in size, shape and design, from simple, small pouches to large, intricate totes. They can be made with various types of yarn and can incorporate different colors, patterns, and decorative elements, such as beads, buttons, or embroidery. Crochet handbags are popular for their unique handmade quality and can be customized to suit personal style and functional needs. Here are 30 tips for creating a crochet handbag. First, choose the right yarn. Use sturdy yarns like cotton or a cotton blend to ensure durability. Proper hook size. Select the correct hook size for your yarn to achieve the desired tension and texture. Gauge swatch. Make a gauge swatch to ensure your handbag will turn out the correct size. Sturdy bottom. Use a tight stitch of the base to prevent sagging. Reinforce the base. Consider adding a lining or a piece of plastic canvas to the bottom for extra support. Tight stitches. Work with tight stitches to maintain the shape and sturdiness of the bag. Seamless join. Use the invisible join technique to create smooth, seamless rounds. Strong handles. Crochet handles with multiple strands of yarn or add a core material to prevent stressing. Reinforced handles. Sew the handles on securely to withstand heavy use. Even-edged. Use stitch markers to keep track of your rows or rounds for even-edged. Patterns and textures. Experiment with different stitch patterns and textures for visual interest. Color changes. Plan color changes in advance for a professional look. Lining. Add a fabric lining to your bag to prevent stressing and protect contents. Pockets. Include inside or outside pockets for better organization. Zippers or closures. Attach zippers, buttons, and magnetic snaps for secure closure. Block your work. Block the finished pages to even out stitches and shape the bag. Weave in ends. Securely weave in all yarn ends to prevent unraveling. Use reinforcement. Reinforce stitch points like corners and handle attachments. Pattern threading. Read through your pattern completely before starting. Practice stitches. Practice any unfamiliar stitches before incorporating them into your project. Customization. Customize patterns to suit your style and functional needs. Yarn substitution. Check the yarn weight and fiber content when substituting yarns. Stitch markers. Use stitch markers to keep track of increases, decreases, or pattern repeats. Keep consistent tension. Maintain a consistent tension to avoid uneven fabric. Stay organized. Keep your yarn, hooks, and other materials organized for efficiency. Rest your hands. Take regular breaks to avoid hand fatigue. Check progress. Frequently check your progress to ensure you are on track with the pattern. Learning resources. Use online tutorials and videos for help with difficult techniques. Experiment. Don't be afraid to experiment with your designs and ideas. Enjoy the process. Have fun and enjoy the creative process of making your own unique handbag. This tip should help you create a beautiful and functional crochet handbag. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy crocheting!